We're gonna get let's get Jordie up here to do another one with us. Did he tell you about the carrot leek soup? That doesn't come as a surprise. Well, when we met Jordie, it was in Glasgow, Scotland, and basically he just dumped carrot leek soup all over my boots. That was it. In the back of a cab. Cab driver was really upset. I was really surprised. But we decided we liked him anyway and started doing the song together. We had a gig in Edinburgh, Scotland shortly after that, and this was one we worked up for that, and we'd like to do it for you now. It's one of his songs.
She's a black diamond from Boulay. I feel dirty, I'm in the dark. Money's on the table before we start. Top floor, when it was all over, she walked through the wall. I went back to the mine, back to the mine. I told the boys I had a hell of a time. Oh my, she's a black diamond from Boulay. I feel dirty, I'm in the dark. Money's on the table before we start. Money's on the table before we start.